Hi guys, how are you? I hope all you are doing good. Welcome to the Learn Code Easily. So today we will continue with our stack series and we will solve the next median well question, that is 2375. Construct smallest number from di string. So before starting, I hope you have all accessed the series of stack. If not, access it and go step by step with me. So and also like and subscribe the channel if you like the video. So we will continue. So we are going to continue with our next question, that is construct smallest number from di string. So here it is given that we have a zero index base string. Sorry. So that consists of only two letter, that is I and d. I means it is increasing, means it is increasing order, means first number is less than the second number is less than the third number, or you can say the second number is greater than the first number, third number is greater than the second number. And pattern decreasing means like first character is greater than the second character is greater than the third, so it is in decreasing form. So here it is given that we have we have a pattern which is of length 8 and that consists of only two character, that is I and d. So here I and d, here how the output is coming, because the second character should be greater than the first character. So what will be the first minimum character, and here it is given that we need to return the smallest possible number. Lexicographically smallest possible string means we need to return the smallest number, and here the number means the 0 and 1, the 1 2 3 can be repeated only one, at most once, as here it is given that from 1 to 9 each digit is used at most once, so we cannot repeat the number. So here it is given I, so means the first character is the smallest one, and the second character, the first number is smallest and the second number is greater than the smallest. So what will be the minimum first character? That will be the 1, because number is ranges from 1 to 9. So here 1, now again I, now 2, now I can write 3. Here d comes, okay, now here d comes, so here I cannot write 4 because again I is coming. So here I need to write a character which is greater than the next character. So here if I write 4, then what character can I write here? Can I write 3? No. Can I write 2? No. Can I write 1? No. So here I need to write 5 so that I can write 5 greater than 4, and it is valid 1 also. Now again d is coming. Now 1 2 3 4 5 all are done. Now the remaining character is 6 7 8 9. So here d is greater than, for that I need to write one character. For d is greater than d, for I need to write one character. Like for this d I need to write one character, for this d I need to write one character, for this d I need to write one character. And here it is given that when we have a d, then the next character, then there should be also a next digit. So for that I am writing the output is here 6. So here for 3 character I need to write 4 number. So and also I am remaining with 4 number, that is 6 7 8 9. So I need to write in reverse order because it is decreasing order, and here I need to write a decreasing order. Here if it is d, then we need to find the minimum maximum min the max digit which is minimum. Means as you can see we have a 9876, we have a 732, we have a 8742, we have a 4321. So what will be the minimum I need to find? For d, what will be the max number which is minimum? Max is 4 because this is 3 digit. So after 3 what is the maximum number? That is 4. Okay, and 4 is the minimum, then what? Then 6, then 5 6 7 8. So here I need to write 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. Now the question is, I hope you have understood. Now the question is how we can solve it. We need to solve with the help of stack. Assume that we have, I am taking one of the example here. So assume we have I. For I it will be 1 2. For DD it will be 2 1. But what if we have a ID? For ID, for I, the next number is greater than, means I can write 2 1, because 2 I can write 1 2. Okay, for I can write 1 2 3 3 2 1. For I can write 1 2. But for D, if D is 2, then d says that num of I is greater than nums of I plus 1. So here I need to write one more character. The one more character should be less than 2, that is 1, and that is not valid because I cannot repeat it. So for that I need to write here 2, I need to write here 1, then 3, then 2, because this is the lexicographically smallest. Okay, and if you take a look, if you will focus on the question, focus on the answer, or if you will think one more time, it will give you a simple trick to solve this question. Here what I can do, here assume that we have a stack, and if we are getting 1 1, then we will enter, if we are getting I, so this is 0 index and the number varies from 1 to 9, 1 to 9. So if it is 0, I need to I need to enter in our stack, that will be I plus 1. So it will be 1, and immediately I need to pop. Okay, now my stack is again empty. If it is again I, now index is 0, I need to push I plus 1, that is 2, and I need to pop it out 1 2, and this is the string. So every time I am adding to this, so that my result is 1 2 1 2, and also I need to run one more time, that is 1 2 3. If it is D and D, if, as what I told, if it is I, if it is I, if it is I, then I need to pop, then I need to pop, otherwise push. If it is I, then I need to pop, otherwise I need to push. If it is I, means if it is not I, if it is any character, if it is any character, okay, then push. Okay, uh, then push, and then push, and if it is I, then pop. So just focus on the 2 point. Assume that if you have a DD, so what I am saying, if it is, okay, if it is I, so here any character, then in the stack I need to pop, that is D. Again it is not equals to I, if it is equals to I, or our length of, or our length of pattern is equals to the I. Okay, these two lines, if it is I, okay, it is not I, length is also not equal, then I need to again push in our D. Now it is DD. Okay, but I is, this is for 0, this is for 1, again it is not. Now I will go for I plus 2. So if it is I, if it is any character, any character means if it is any character, then I need to push I plus 1, or you can say push I plus 1, and if it is I, then pop. So for push, first I have put I plus 1, then again I have push I plus 1, then again I have push I for I plus 1, this will be 1. For this I plus 1, I have pushed 2. Now for I plus 1, I plus 1 is right now 2. Okay, if it is I, no, then pop, or length of pattern is 2. I is also 2. Then I have already pushed I is here 2. Now I have pushed 3. Okay, now I need to pop. If I pop, it will be 3 2 1, and that will be our answer. If I have ID, now in our stack I need to push 1, and it is also not I, and length is also not equal. If it is I, then I will pop it out, that is 1. Now I will again go here, that is D. Now I will again push I plus 1. Now our stack will hold 2. It is equals to I, no. Length is pattern of length is equals to I, no. I will again go, okay. Now I will again insert I plus 1, that there will be 3. If it is equals to I, no. Length of pattern is equals to I, yes, because here I is 2 and length of pattern is also 2. Now I can pop it out. Now it will be 1. Previously it was 1. Now I will pop, so it will be 3 and 2. That will be the answer. You can take any example, okay. So here if you will take this example DDD, so for I plus 1 I will insert stack, I will insert 1, then 2, then 3, because it is not equals to I, not equals to length of pattern. But as I will move to the fourth index, third index, 0 1 2 3, third index, I will insert I plus 1, push I plus 1 every time. Every time I need to insert I plus 1. If it is equals to I, no. Length of pattern, yes, then I can pop, I will pop as 4 3 2 1, and that will be our answer. So I hope you have understood. Let's continue with our question. So I will take stack, I will take result. Now it will go for I in range length of pattern plus 1, okay, because here I need to insert one more number, that's why it is going one pattern length plus 1, and every time I need to insert I plus 1. And if I is equals to the I, if index is equals to I, or if I is equals to the length of pattern, if I have already written if it is equals to I, or I is equals to length of pattern, then what you need to return, just you need to pop. So stack dot pop, and just you need to return simply yes. So I have done the same step which is given here. We need to pop, push every time. I am pushing at every time, and if it is equals to I or length of pattern, if it is equals to I or equals to length of pattern, my index is, so I need to just pop, otherwise I need to return. So let's try to submit it. Stack pattern concatenation. So here it is a here we are inserting the number, and string cannot be concatenated with the number, so we need to change it to string, or we need to change the data type of our current value. So it is giving me result string dot pop result. Okay, so what I need to write here it, if assume that if it is not equals to I, and if it not equals to I, if it is not equals to I, and also the, yeah, so if it is equals to the length of character, or I is equals to I, my index is equals to I, if it is the case, then I can simply pop it out. But what if I have a D, so uh, in the stack I have a 1 2 3, so for popping it out I need to write a one of the loop, that is a while loop. So while loop says pop the pop the pop the value from the stack until it is not empty, okay. So this will make our solution correct, and this will run, it will run this time. So it is giving me the in the reverse order. Eh, in the reverse order it is giving. So how we can correct this one? So it is saying stack, so we are appending if it is equals to I is equals to length of pattern, or I is equals to If my index is equals to capital I, so I need to pop simply the, no, so it will be the result stack dot pop 1 2 3. So let's try it, let's figure it out why it is giving here like this one. So 9 9. So it is false and false, and still it is I, but it is giving me false. So if I is equals to the pattern, no, if I is equal to the I, so what I have done here wrong, so it will be pattern, not the pattern of I, because here I'm comparing the index, but we need to compare the value. So it has been done, let's try to submit. So it has been submitted, and it is 92.48% faster. And here we are inserting only once in the stack, I'm popping it out once from the stack, so it is big of n solution, and here we are taking the big of n extra space, that's why the solution is big of n time, and big of n extra space and big of n time complexity. So I hope you have understood, guys. If you like the video, please like and subscribe and comment as well. I will meet in the next video with the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.